Want to double your business in less than 3 months? Here's a little secret. You gotta get perspective. So that's very conceptual, and you're probably like, okay, how do I get perspective? Can I get it from friends? No, you can't get it from friends. Friends probably are similar to you and they see the same things. You actually have to get it with the people who are willing to give you the hard answers, tell you the hard truth. So for example, one of my members was running a t-shirt design business where he prints out t-shirts. He's been in business for over 8 years. His average revenue per month was $18,000. In less than 3 months, we got him to $55,000. So how did we do that crazy jump? Usually when people say, oh, we got them to increase the revenue, they say, oh, they increased prices. We didn't increase prices. What we figured out in his Owners Up group and with his coach is that he was focusing on the wrong activities. And he was focusing on what he was comfortable in, which was systems. But he wasn't focusing on marketing or leveraging his current clients. And when he figured out that he needs to spend more time on doing sales and marketing and coming up with new initiatives, it was like that. He was able to more than double his business, his monthly recurring revenue. So how are you gonna get perspective? I highly recommend to surround yourself with different people, different than you in your skills. So it's almost like you're outsourcing your weakness. Who wouldn't want to outsource their weakness or leverage people's knowledge that you're probably not as strong in? So that's why when we put an Owners Up group together, we assess everybody and say, okay, this person's really strong in sales, this person's really strong in accounting, sales, and marketing. We put that group together so it's like their own think tank that every week they get to solve their biggest challenge in less than 11 minutes.